The present continuous tense is a crucial aspect of English grammar that is widely used in everyday conversations as well as academic fields, including entomology. In entomology, the study of insects, researchers often use the present continuous tense to describe ongoing actions, processes, or states related to insects. Let's explore how the present continuous tense is used in entomology with a variety of illustrative examples. Observation of insects. Entomologists often use the present continuous tense to describe their current observations of insects in the field. For example, I am currently observing the behavior of ants in their natural habitat. Entomologists are studying the wing patterns of butterflies in the lab. 2. Describing ongoing research. When researchers are conducting experiments or studies on insects, they use the present continuous tense to describe their ongoing research activities. For instance, scientists are currently tracking the migration patterns of monarch butterflies. Entomologists are studying the impact of climate change on insect populations. 3. Reporting results. Entomologists also use the present continuous tense to report their current findings or results from their research. For example, researchers are discovering new species of beetles in the rainforest. Entomologists are documenting the spread of invasive insect species in urban areas. 4. Explaining processes. The present continuous tense is used in entomology to explain ongoing processes or changes related to insects. For instance, entomologists are researching the role of pheromones in insect communication. Scientists are studying the life cycle of mosquitoes in order to develop effective control strategies. In conclusion, the present continuous tense plays a vital role in entomology by describing ongoing actions, processes, and research activities related to insects. By mastering the present continuous tense, ESL students can better understand and communicate about the fascinating world of insects and their study. Keep practicing and exploring the use of the present continuous tense in entomology to enhance your language skills and knowledge in this field.